Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you exactly how to use Linktree in 2025 step by step, so you can create one simple link that connects all your important pages, social profiles, shops and more. By the end of this tutorial you will have your own Linktree set up and ready to share anywhere. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you just need to be understand what actually is Linktree. So first, Linktree is a free tool that lets you create a single link like linktree.ee by your name, which opens a mini landing page with all your important links in one place. It is super popular for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or anywhere you only get on link in your bio. So it helps your followers find everything, your website, shop, latest video, blog, newsletter, or anything else on in one tab. So I hope you understand what actually is it. So now I am going to sign up for the Linktree. So first of all, here you can see we already have an account over that place. So this is our account, this is our Linktree. So I will click over here, this one, sign up. Just click to the logout. Once I click over here logout, then here you can see we have this product in here, link in bio, tools, then these kind of things. If you see the pricing over that place, you can see it is free. Get started with your own personal link tree forever free. Key feature, you will get unlimited link, social icons, videos and embedded, then essential analytics as you optimize high converting design, unique QR code and make money to LinkedIn shops and sponsor links and digital products and course. So I will click to the get started for the free one, then just click over here and you just need to provide your mail address over that place. Then next you will get an options call password this way. So I already have an account. I will just click over here sign up with email and then I will select my email address and then it will landed me onto the dashboard panel. So here you can actually see that we already it come to our dashboard. So here you just need to verify your email if needed and now you are in. So you just need to set up your profile once you are on this dashboard. So here let's set up our Linktree profile. You just need to be click over here into your profile. Just click to the my Linktree or you can go to this one account. So click over here. Then here actually you can update your informations. You can add your name, like let's add my name and just click to the save details and it will be saved. That you can see it. Then you can see the security and privacy, then you can create a password and here you can change the username also. You can change the links and now we are using the free plan. As you can see, if you want to upgrade to the pro you are allowed to do it. Then if you want to permanently delete your account and all your Linktree profile, you just need to be click over here. So now I am going to change my Linktree image. So like you just need to click over here and here actually you just need to click this one and upload your own image or restyle with artificial intelligence, or you can design it with your canvas. So here we have couple of options. So I will click over here upload your own image, just select this one and from that place I am going to upload my image over that place. Just click to the open and then actually you can see it will be uploaded perfectly. I will click to the upload and here the uploaded will be begin and here actually you can see it already been done. So let's go and try to make it total, or you can click, let's click to the cancel and click to the none and just click to the escape. Like it is restyling the design with AI, that is the thing. So now you can add your profile title. So this is the title I already added. The title means the bio, so you can add your title over here. I already added. You can add, change the display name also, like let's make it we are digital and just click to the save. And if the username will be available, then your things will be updated perfectly. Now here you can see we are digital will be uploaded and now here you have so much option as you can see it. So you you can customize your theme. Linktree has free themes or you can upgrade for premium themes and custom the background easily. So now I am going to add my first link over that place. So here I will delete all this thing one by one. Just click this one, this, yeah, click to the delete, and now here actually you can see you just need to click over here, add. Now here you just need to be choose your one, just select YouTube link. So I will give a title that will be by my name, we are digital, and then I will provide the link over that place. Just copy this one and paste the URL over here and just select this one, we are digital is available right now. Now here you can see that digital is already become over here. Just enable this one and now actually it will become. So here you can see it. So you just need to give a title. I already provide that, like my website, or paste your URL and add more links. For example, YouTube channel, latest blog post, shop now, podcast, or contact from. You can drag and drop your links to decorate them however you like. So now I am going to use special link blocks. Like Linktree also lets you add special blocks to make your page more dynamic. Like you can add social icons, quickly add your social handles with official icons. You can add video links, embedded YouTube or TikTok videos that people can watch without leaving your Linktree. Then tip your add a tipping options to follow and support you directly. Like here you can see, then here if I click over here, just click to the YouTube and then click to the top and click to this icon and just click to the ad, and you just need to provide your YouTube address. Just provide it here and enter playlist .40 and just click to the ad, and it already been added over that place, so you can see it. Just click this one and here actually you can see it that it already been added. So this way you can add all the things. Now you can add email sign up, connect your email list to collect subscription right from your Linktree. You just need to click explore links to see all different options. It is really easy to add them. So let's scroll down. Here you can see we have a couple of options, so it is so much easy. I hope, let's explore this one. Just click to add collections. Here you can easily add the collections. Then you can see the archive also. Just click this one. There is nothing available here. So now you can customize the appearance if it is necessary, like make it look good. You just need to go back to the appearance and choose theme, like click to the design. Once you click over here, now here you can see this design. This is the classic one. Then we have this hero design. As you can see, this is the hero design. You can change it as you want. Let's click to the classic and then find it out something look good design here. Yeah, I think this one is probably the good one. You can go with this design. This is the simplest design, but it looks amazing. So you can choose a theme that match your style. If you have Linktree Pro, you can fully customize colors, button, fonts, and add custom background. Always click the preview options. Just click to the save. Once you click to the save, then you will get the options to preview it. Just come back to these options, and here you just need to click over here, setting, and now actually you can see the design here, and you can find out the design is quite well. You can share the link with anyone. Always click preview to see how your Linktree looks on mobile, since that's how most people will see it. So now I'm going to talk about share your Linktree profile with anyone. So now you are ready to share. You copy your unique Linktree link. It usually linktree.username. Just click to the share, and here share my Linktree to Snapchat anywhere by mail, and you can see the link also. Just copy it and paste it here, and here actually you will see that your Linktree. And if I click to the We Are Digital, it will redirect me to the YouTube. Then here you can see this is the YouTube we have. If I click over here, you can sign up for free. So whenever you update your Linktree, the link stays the same, so you never have to change it again. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to set up Linktree in 2025 step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials every week. Got any questions about Linktree? Drop them in the comments. I am happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.